This lesson emphasizes documentary realism. Start with an unedited street photograph. Use camera raw to adjust exposure and enhance dynamic range. Move into Photoshop and apply targeted dodging and burning to draw attention to key subjects. Clean distracting objects using the patch tool. Color grade with a muted palette to maintain authenticity. Sharpen selectively on textures such as clothing or pavement. Export in TIFF or high-quality JPEG for archival storage.